Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I got some really cool accessories from CASETiFY for my S25 here. So number one, a screen protector. Definitely want to get this put on so I protect this screen. And then number two is these new camera lens protectors. Now, I normally don't do these types of things on my phone with the camera lens protectors, but they were kind enough to send them out, so I figured why not. And if you want to scoop any of this stuff up and cases and whatnot from them, then just use my link. It's casetify.com/Roy Flores, and you can go literally check out all kinds of stuff that they make. Heck, they're even doing suitcases and stuff now for travel, so definitely doing some big stuff over there. So with that, let's go ahead and take a peek here at the actual Impact HD screen protector. So let's go ahead and get this out. So just gonna use this little razor blade here. Should be pretty easy, I think, to install, but we'll double check. So there's an installation guide here, which I'll zoom in and show you real quick. But step one's opening the tray, cleaning the screen off, putting the phone inside this, and then kind of flapping it down, holding it, says in the middle of the tray firmly, pull down the tab mark number 1, boop, pull that out, then press 2, so there's a number there, then it looks like we slide our finger down, and then remove the top film, and then start working out any bubbles that it might have as well. So here we go. So here's kind of the unboxing experience, and so it says dedusting sticker, so it's a big old one, which I actually really like. A lot of people just give you these tiny ones. That's a big giant one. And then here is the screen protector. Looks like there's maybe like this little dummy thing right there where we will put the phone in. So it looks like there's just one tempered glass in here, but it does come with a cleaning kit. So let's go ahead and get this open here. So we have the cleaning wipe and then also a drying wipe, a little CASETiFY microfiber cloth, and then a little squeegee that we can squeegee out the air bubbles with. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get the wet wipe out, and I'm just gonna kind of go fast with this. So gonna just get this really nice and wet here. The wet wipe is very moist, by the way, so the screen is very saturated. I mean, I literally just got done doing the unboxing video, which hopefully you have checked out. And yeah, so now let's get the dry wipe. All right, and let's dry this screen. All right, so it looks like it did a pretty decent job. Now, anytime we use a drying wipe like this type of material, definitely want to do the dedusting sticker. So I'm going to actually just do one side of it. And with these type of stickers, I like just doing it like this. You know, just kind of slapping it on there. One thing I really like is that it covers up the whole screen. So I could even literally just do that if I wanted to, but I like doing it this way. All right, so looks like there is nothing on there now. Okay. So now we're going to do the phone. So we're going to go ahead and put it on here. So number one is I'm going to hold firmly down on the sides as it instructed. And I'm going to pull tab 1. Okay, so there we go. Then number 2, I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to slide my finger down. And then with the magic of video editing, I'm going to fast forward. So now I'm going to lift this up. All right, so there's definitely some air bubbles in here. So I'm going to use the microfiber cloth and kind of work those out a little bit. And then I'm going to use the squeegee real fast and I'll be right back. Okay, so got it installed here, and if you can see on the corners, it's very similar to their camera bumps, which it has the CASETiFY branding on there, so very recognizable. But I gotta say, that was probably one of the easiest installs I've done with a tempered glass. I mean, literally there was just a tiny bit of air bubbles, took no time at all to squeegee them out. And then as far as even like getting it open, pretty easy. Ultrasonic fingerprint scanner works just fine. And the fluidness of everything is great as well. And I gotta say that the colors look just as good. So it's, I mean, I literally can't even tell that this is on. I mean, it is so thin, but it is gonna be very protective as well. So now let's go ahead and let's try to do these here. So I don't, like I said, normally do these a lot, but these camera lens protectors are made for this S25. So I'm very curious to see if I can figure it out, because I've usually had some issues trying to install these types of things, but we'll see if we can figure it out here. Now, the installation guide basically explains that it says clean the camera lenses and tear off the back film. Okay, so we'll do that. Position the applicator. Okay. Press the applicator firmly onto the camera lens, so we'll do that. And then take the applicator off, and in theory, the lens protector should be on. So I know that I've tried before in the past, not necessarily with CASETiFYs, but in general, and just have had some hard times with them. But let me just wipe down the lenses. All right, looks clean enough for me. And then just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and use the dust sticker that it provided. So that way I can just make sure the lenses don't have any little dust that I can't see. And let's get this going. So we'll pop this out, and then we're going to remove the back. And then basically just put it on. So we'll put them on there, and then it says press firmly. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So I'm just going to push firmly against it, because I want to make sure that those lens protectors are nice and adhered, so that way when I pull this applicator off, they don't go with it. So alright, so now let's remove the applicator. And there we go. So pretty easy peasy. So as you can see there, it's exactly on the lenses. So when I zoom in, you can see those little lens protectors are on there, and I gotta say, I'm actually pretty impressed with those as well, because normally you can tell that there's lens protectors on. If you look straight on at it, you can't tell. You can only tell when you really, like I said, look on the side just a tiny bit. And then whenever you put the phone on, or in a phone case, then, I mean, with this one, there's cutouts there, but you can see that they're still recessed in even with the lens protector installed. So really, really, really digging that. So didn't take me very long at all. The screen protector looks great. The lens protectors look great. And yeah, no complaints at all. So if you want to scoop any of these up, like I said, go to CASETiFY.com/Roy Flores and buy this for your Plus, Ultra, whatever. Go and check out all their other accessories and collabs that they do with other things like Marvel and Disney and all kinds of stuff. Gundam, you name it. But hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and see you on the next one.